All right, today we're going to bring actually some water hose for our pump. If you guys can see the pump, if you have the pump, you're going to need to replace this something stronger and more rugged than this. So we're going to open them up and show you guys some of the thickness of it. Look how thick it is. These are super strong, thick water hose. So let's go ahead and open them all up. Let's go ahead and begin. So what you get here, you have your actual pump, all right? And that's where if you have your own pump, you got to make sure that you have the same pump or a different unit. I'm gonna put the actual figures, how thick they are and how wide they are, all right? So just so you guys be aware, open it up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna marry this one in here, if you guys can see it. There's a couple of columns here, if you guys can see that. Couple columns, you stick one of these in there. Prior to that, make sure you open them all up. All right, this is just open them all up. As soon as you open them, you tighten them up in there and you should be good. So let's go ahead and set that up. All right, so we're gonna set one up here. We got it in there, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten them up and see how they work. I like that they give you the braces. If you guys can see that, we're gonna go ahead and tighten it up. So all we got to do is twist that one. We're going to twist it in a bit. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Nice and tight there. Do the same thing here. Okay. There we have it, nice and tight. All right, look at the brace. Really strong, tight. I used a screwdriver just to tighten it up even stronger. Look at that one, tighter. You guys can see that. So we got the other one here, and then we're gonna set it up in our, we're gonna put it in our pool. We're gonna set it up in our pool and make sure that it's fastened nice and tight. Easy to apply. I like the thickness of it. It's not see-through. It's super strong, durable. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.